All right, today got a 2024 Silverado. This car got 400 miles on it. Said it was hit by a deer, assuming that deer jumped up. Crazy hit to be a deer hit, but hey, it is what it is. It's gonna get fixed regardless. It don't really matter to me. All right, got the window out, got all my seam sealer off, found the spout welds. All right, now it's time to get to it. I'm using this Milwaukee belt sander to get all my spout welds out. Now, a little backstory. I set this camera up to, record. I feel like this would be satisfying. Why the goddamn camera cut off right before I was able to peel the roof off? It pissed me right off. But anyway, ain't gonna stress over it. Cool, got the roof off. See both those cross beams. Now, I'm gonna show you on the inside. Right here in the front, that front bowl is bent. So that gotta go. Here's an overview. Now let me get this front bow out. Like I said, this Milwaukee belt sander, the truth, man. So if you work in a body shop or do anything with cars, man, invest in that Milwaukee belt sander. So now this first side came out pretty easy. This side I'm on, for some reason, just did not want to come out. But I had to tweak with it a little bit, put a little chisel to it, just a tad bit, and it came right on out. Right, see it? Things level. So now I got to put that new bow in over there. If you look, boom. Let me get that in. Before I get it in, I start welding, clamp it, then I measured it. The camera cut off once again. So I don't know why I wasn't cooperating this day. So got it clamped. I ended up measuring it after that. Then I set my welder up, grounded it, and got to it. This was pretty much the home stretch of this first part. In a minute, you'll see Brian come over, help me out. You'll see the other Brian come over. Shout out to both the Brians. Cleaned it up. Look at them goddamn welds. Good welds. The roof is on backwards, so now I wait on the roof to finish the job. So stay tuned for part 2.
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand, and them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.